As you can see here, we have rice, tomatoes, and tilapia fish, onions, and the rest ingredients. You know, sometimes you will just feel like eating all this typical food. You know, this is what came to my mind this afternoon to eat. Concoction rice. Do you guys know what is concoction rice? Bak rice. So sometimes when your body needs something, you have to give your body what it needs. You don't wait for someone to come and give you what you need. So this is what I want to eat this afternoon. I said, let me make it with tilapia fish. You can see, I just want to make a small rice. Concoction rice is long. I'm not eating this food though. Very, very long. So this afternoon I decided to make it. If you are just waka kurukere on YouTube, you just didn't get posts, please stop by my channel and subscribe to my channel. You will not miss anything. Just click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified, so that you won't miss anything when I upload a new video, guys. My return is. Thank you, and God bless you for always be there for me. As I said earlier the other of my video that I have not yet uploaded, I said without you guys I will not be here. You guys are my strength. You guys are my everything. You are the one that made me to be here, guys. I so much appreciate you guys, and I love you all. Thank you, and may God continue to reward you. Let's go into the video. I will not take you time, guys. Okay, let's go into the video and start making the food. Okay, guys. Here is my pot. The oil is too hot. That is why I remove it from the other side. I just put it so that it will be a little bit cold. So now let's get started to the food. That is the salt. Now I will be adding onions. We are making simple recipe. I bring it already. Now I will be adding tomatoes. Maybe one bell pepper, because I put one bell pepper. Now I'll be adding one maggi cube. Okay guys, one maggi chicken cube. Black pepper. I want to do it more spicy for today, you know. Curry powder and Maggi flavor. So the tongue. I will just put a little bit water first. I will cover it a little bit. Just for 2 minutes, then I will pour the rice inside. This is concoction rice. Oh my God. Sometimes you have to give yourself what your body needs, guys. Don't wait for no one to come and tell you what you need, you know. Yes, it's very pepperish. This is what I want to take. You know, this food, I am going to enjoy it with, you know what I'm going to be using to eat this food today? My hand, not spoon. I'm going to enjoy it with my hand. That is the way I want to enjoy this food. I'm really going to settle down and eat this food the way it's hungry me. Oh my God. Continue washing, guys. Okay guys, now we will pour the fish inside, the tilapia fish inside. Let's go. I will cover it a little bit, guys. Now, before we pour the rice. Okay guys, I would like all these fish to pieces. I will allow this fish to pieces. That is how I want it. I don't want to see it full like this. Now I will be pouring the rice inside. Guys. Oh my God, sorry guys, I'll put a little water. Yeah, so the weather is not so nice here today. Everywhere is just dark because it's raining, no sun. With pieces. I don't want to see it full, guys. I'm going to be removing this thing later because I don't want the head. Normally I don't use head when I'm cooking. I wish it was cooking stuff. I would just throw it off, but I'm just putting it to make more taste. Later I'm going to remove it. See you guys later. Guys, let's check what we have in the fire. Very soon the rice will be ready. This is concoction rice. Let's cover it before anything. Almost ready, guys. Almost ready. I changed my mind and I didn't pieces I did not pieces the head already again because I realized that if I pieces it, the bone will be too much. I just want to remove I will remove the fish later because if I pieces it, it's not going to be okay. A lot of bone will be inside, so that is why I decided not to pieces it. Okay guys, that is why you are seeing it full again. But very soon my delicious concoction rice will be ready. I can't wait to eat this rice. Oh my God, as I said earlier, my 5 finger is going to eat this concoction rice. I am going to settle down. to eat it, guys. As you can hear the scent, I believe you guys can feel the scent from here. As I am feeling it, guys. I believe you guys are also feeling the scent. Wow, this is awesome, guys. This rice is amazing. It looks so inviting, guys. Wow. And I'm really happy to make this rice, because it's really long. And the most beautiful part of it that I'm going to be using my hand to eat it. That is the most beautiful part of the food. Hey guys, my concoction rice is ready. As you can see, come and join me, guys. I am not going to enjoy it alone. I don't like to eat alone. Come guys and join me with this my concoction rice. It looks so inviting and it looks so sweet and delicious. Guys, I would not like to leave you without telling you how it look like. Oh, you know that I'm going to be enjoying it with my hand. You can see my hand there. Oh, it's so hot. Oh, I make this food according to the way I want it. Thank you guys for joining me today. See you for my next video. Bye bye. Love you.